It's December 30th, 2011. This is a sawmill site at Robert Heron's farm. We're sawing up some trees, putting them on the mill and making lumber for an outbuilding. That's the tops of some trees we already got the logs out of. Robert just got finished leveling off a stump. Got some of the logs we're going to put on the mill. Here's the mill. The old Ford tractor. About minimum for this task, but it's working. We'll go over and take a look at the mill. This is the portable sawmill. As you can see, it's a frame on a trailer. You roll a log up on it. This is a 12-footer. Lock it in position. And then slide this bandsaw. See if I can get a picture of the blade. Not really from this angle. Well, there it is. There's the blade. Obviously, this contraption moves up and down to set the width of the logs. Powered by about a 20 horsepower gasoline engine. This is our lumber that we cut yesterday. Ed, the sawmill man, has designed the building that we're going to build, a pole barn, and calculated what we need for lumber for the joist and poles and braces and trusses. And that's what we're busy working on. This is our burn pile for when we're done. We'll go over and look at a stump or two where we cut down some trees. I think we've taken about 10 trees in all. We'll drag them over and put them on the mill. See here one of the stumps that we already pulled the logs out. Up in there is the top of the tree. Once the tops get down less than about 6 inches, there's not much left to use for lumber. Here's another one. Forest doesn't look much the worse for wear because of these trees. It'll just open things up so the other ones can grow better. These trees are about 25 or 30 years old. Okay, about to get started. They almost messed up. We use these slabs to make some ground blinds out in the wood, but the product we're looking for is 16 foot, 12 foot, 1 bys and 2 bys, 6s, 8s, 10s. 2 months to dry and then we can go to work.